The Bridestowe Lavender Estate in Tasmania installed VELUX Skylights in the retail area 5 years ago. Before the VELUX Skylights were installed, visitors had been known to faint on hot days, and lavender products were being destroyed on the shelves. The VELUX Skylights were installed to reduce both the heat load and damaging UV rays. The owner, Robert Ravens, hasn't looked back.
These gentlemen are from VELUX Skylights, and I don't know whether you'll probably notice as you go through the day that I'm addicted to VELUX Skylights. So they're everywhere, and so they're here just looking at how it impacts on our business. We were encountering internal temperatures of 38 degrees or something like that. People were unhappy, and we just said we have to change what we do and what's the most effective, cost-effective way of doing that. They wanted to air condition, and I said no, I wouldn't air condition because there were too many open doors, and cooling was really required only for a week of the year or something like that, and the heating we had under control. So I said, well, what if we go to we try passive ventilation as a means of managing. We don't get complaints now. And we're putting a lot more people through, and there's a lot more bodies in that environment now than there was at the time we had the significant problems. So yeah, I think people actually, if you ask them, I think they'll give you what's it like to work here. That's really nice. It's a great space. Yeah.
I've worked at the lavender farm now for the most part of nearly 10 years, and since then we've had VELUX Skylights installed in the retail area, in the cafe, and also in our manufacturing building. One of the biggest differences we've noticed, particularly in our cafe and retail, is the difference it makes in the temperature in our building. It used to be very, very, very stuffy and quite congested with the atmosphere. Having the luxury now of being able to open those skylights up and let the hot air out has made it a much nicer working environment and a beautiful place to visit as well. Down in our manufacturing area, having VELUX Skylights in has let us once again let in the natural airflow as well, and also for a lot of our fine work, which is the sewing and the adding of ribbon and a lot of that very, very fine detail we put into our products, having had natural light come in makes it so much more comfortable. Less eye strain, of course, for our staff as well.
We have virtually zero need for heating or cooling, and our products don't fade on the shelf. It's re-energised our environment, basically. I mean, it's made spaces great places to work. I mean, that really is why I've continued with the thing.